Hi, this is Trifonas Papadopoulos. I have done this YouTube video in the past about how to update WordPress posts with Excel and Python. This is in Greek, but now I'm gonna do it in English. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna show you my Excel file, which is this one, and I'm gonna take from Facebook a post, let's say this one, and I'm gonna add it here. Here what I do is that I add the content. Here I will add the title. And here I'm gonna add the slug. Let's leave it to this. So here I'm gonna add the status, categories, tags. I'm gonna explain everything to you. So here it's publish, here are the categories. So for me it's business, and here I'm gonna put thoughts. And let's leave it like this. Here I'm gonna change the date. So the date is today, which is January 3rd, 2026. We leave it false, true, and here I just want to add it to my, not to, sorry, okay, here, and this is gonna be added to website mindstorm.gr. In case we want to add this to another site, which I will do it right now, and this next site will be for the people. And now we need to add the image. So I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna say do it just to see if it works. So I'm gonna go here and add with this in row 589. Do it, and I'm gonna copy that here. Sorry, that's it. So now we are ready to add this post, not to one but to two sites. These sites are mindstorm.gr and forthepeople.gr. Let's see if it works. I'm gonna press this button and wait for it. I don't want this is older. I said yes though. Anyway, it's gonna do it. Doesn't matter. Let's see what happened. Okay, what I need to do is that I need to say that to no. And now we are ready to continue with this one. Okay, let's try it one more time. So now it's correct. Okay, let's wait for a minute. Now it's updating milestone.gr, and now it's ready, and now it's updating for the people.gr. It will take about that. Now it's ready. Okay, and now we'll go to site, this site, milestone.gr. It's gonna be here. That's it. And if we go to for the people.gr, it's here. See? Okay, so now we go back to our Excel, and now, as you can see, you can update as many posts you wish. I hope you found this video useful, and if you need to do that yourself, please contact me. Thank you.